Hey guys, hope you're well. So today we're going to be looking at linear algebra. So this is the first time actually using the Numpy package for linear algebra. I've got a video as well that I've done using SymPy, just doing the similar concepts of linear algebra. Okay, cool. So on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys actually subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and hey, presto, we're good to go. Cool. So let me start off by importing the package. So from NumPy, import, and it's directs there. Okay, then I've got an array. So my array will be, right, so just random numbers, 1, minus 1, and then 2, 5. And then B, my array will be 4, 0, and then 3, 1. Okay, cool. So what I need to do is just do basic arithmetic operations there. So I'm just going to type this quickly. So basic arithmetic operations. Okay, cool. So A plus B, and then so A minus B, right? Then B minus A. Okay, then I need to multiply the two matrices together. So dot AB, A times B, so, and then dot B times A. So they're different. Okay, so in linear algebra or in matrices, A times B does not equal to B times A. Okay, right. So what I need to do is I need to find the determinants of these matrices. So I'll type in lin algebra dot determinant. Okay, so it's 7. So then lin alg dot det. So that's 4. And then since the determinants aren't equal to 0, so therefore an inverse, or therefore inverses do exist, sorry. Okay, cool. Right, so I need to find the inverse for my matrix A. So lin alg dot inverse. Okay, then lin alg dot in my matrix B. Okay, right, and then I also want to find the trace of each matrix. So trace A. So I'll put a comment there. My matrix. Oh, sorry, the sum of the diagonal on matrix A. Okay, so trace B. Okay, cool. Right, and then I want to find characteristic polynomials for both matrices. Okay, so my poly A. So that'll be so it's basically like saying x squared minus 6x plus 7. So those are the coefficients of my polynomials. Okay, then poly B. So x squared minus 5x plus 4. Okay, and then I can also create like 0 matrices. So I'll type in 0, zeros, then 4. So they'll create my zeros matrix. And then I can also create a 3 by 3. Say, for example, I want to create a 3 by 3 matrix. So zeros. So 3 by 3. Okay, so that's my array. Okay, cool. And then I can also like create arrays as well using constants like pi and e. Okay, so what I can do is I'll just type in that, say pi. Okay, right. So yeah, so it's just something that I wanted to show you, just like a quick video using NumPy, you know. So yeah, so hopefully this is helpful to someone out there. And like I said, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Cool. And have a good day, guys. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.